Hello, welcome to the fifth and final tutorial for the basic 5-paragraph essay, Peer Editing. As a peer editor, there are a few steps you need to follow for this project for my class. Number one, email a copy of your essay to someone who has also completed a first draft. Some people are thinking about using Google Docs. I don't suggest it for this because you're going to have to email 3 different versions of this essay, or not email, put on the Moodle. So the first version will be your rough draft, the second version will be the draft that's been edited by your peer, and the last draft will be your final draft. As soon as you receive your partner's document, save it as edited by and insert your name. Then, when editing, don't make any changes to the actual document. The changes should all be made using the comment option in Microsoft Word. I'll show you how momentarily. Also, offer suggestions. If you think a sentence would sound better or a word would sound better, offer your partner your ideas in the comment area. So for peer editing, it's important to write a rough draft to share with a friend or a parent to edit. When editing, ask someone to check that you stayed on topic and use proper writing conventions such as good spelling, usage, mechanics, and grammar. And we talked about the structure of this essay for quite some time now, and you should be making sure that your partner has followed the structure. Thesis statement, body paragraph, concluding paragraph. Be sure the essay follows some basic rules like no use of the following words: I, me, we, our, you. No contractions at all: isn't, aren't, shouldn't. Avoiding non-specific words like it and things and how. Each one of those words can be replaced with a more specific word. So how do we peer edit? Again, the first step is, when you get the document, is to save it as something else. So I'll do File, Save As, and I'll change it to Edited by Sherry Sloan. Save. Now I can start doing my changes. So if I think that this is not good, which by the way this is good, this is a sample essay, I'm going to press Review, New Comment, and here I will insert a comment for this person. And I'll keep going through the essay and inserting comments. You can't really insert comments where there's no text, but if something needs to be indented, we'll just say needs to be indented. Also, you should not be changing anything in the document. For example, maybe this is not a word. It seems to be underlined. Not anymore. So yeah, anywhere that you feel that you can add a comment, please add a comment. But don't change anything. You are just adding comments. Don't change anything. If something is misspelled, tell them it's misspelled, but don't change it. Okay? And that is it. That should really get you started on where you need to be for peer editing. So finally, the final copy should be double-spaced, should have no blank lines between paragraphs, and indent each paragraph using the Tab key. So teachers generally grade on organization and writing conventions and content. That's absolutely how I'll be grading this. Interesting content, organization is going to be a big one, and writing conventions. Okay, good luck.